Are you a software developer that wants to find out how to develop Shopify Products API connection easily? Shopify API enables developers to build applications or integrations that interact with the Shopify product catalogs. Shopify API supports widely used XML and JSON formats, ensuring seamless integration with diverse systems and technologies. The API is designed to work perfectly with various HTTP requests, such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE, offering unprecedented flexibility and control. The Products API lets developers get product information, like details, prices, availability, and inventory. By connecting your software with Shopify, you can improve your software capabilities and offer more benefits to clients using Shopify for their online stores. There is a solution that can help you connect your software with Shopify easily. That is API2Cart, the unified shopping platform integration interface. API2Cart offers multiple API methods that allow developers to import product data from e-stores, systematically update orders, synchronize inventory across different sales channels, and create and update listings. API2Cart is an excellent solution for software providers who work in order and inventory management, shipping, pricing, and marketing automation spheres and want to connect with multiple shopping platforms and marketplaces simultaneously. Contact us today to explore Shopify Products API integration via API2Cart.